I'm whipping the phone and I can't whip no beetle. I wrote that chain line over a beater. I like this song like I'm Eva Knievel. But it don't mean nothing without all my people. When I step up on stage, hand it to the sky.
Oh my god, I've been on the camera in like ages. And anyways, hey guys, so I'm about to film I don't even know what this is called, but I'm about to clean up my room. My friend requested this video, so I said, okay, let me do this, because I was really running out of video ideas. So yeah, I'm about to film this. I've never seen one of these on YouTube, but my friend says that she watches them all the time. So if y'all want to see, actually I do, because I do watch this one girl, but she does more of like a spring cleaning type. Anyways, so I'm about to clean my room and bring you guys with me. I don't usually like to clean, but I like for my room to stay at least a decent where I can get around. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna stop talking and get into it. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay, I'm on a bit of a time crunch because I'm going to the Nav concert in a couple hours. I'm so excited. Anyways, okay, so I'm not gonna do any like intensive cleaning, but it's gonna be pretty clean. So this is where, when you enter my room, the door's right here, and right here are my clothes, like the little jackets and stuff. Yeah, my room, I was gonna do a room tour, but like, guys, I'm moving out in a couple months, so I mean, if you guys still want one, I guess. But okay, so there is my psychology textbook that I never opened in a Cane's bag, but okay. Here is my couch. Yeah, okay. And this used to be my old desk. This is my desk from like 5th grade. I was gonna paint it black and stuff, but at this point, I don't even care. I'm moving out and I can't take that with me, so yeah. And then here's, ew, there's a wasp nest. I see wasps all over here. Okay, this is my laundry basket. There's my little bootleg ring light thing. Yeah, okay. Backpack, won't be using that again. Well, I might use it next year. No, I'm gonna get a new backpack anyways. Okay. Here is my Jack in the Box cup. Yeah, this is pretty dirty, I'm not gonna lie. Battery that died for my computer. This battery died, and yeah. This is supposed to be a new battery for my car, but it doesn't even work, so. Yep, there's me, mirror, hey. Okay, this side of the room, some shorts. Yeah. Battery that needs to be charging. There we go. And water bottles. I always have water bottles up here. Like, I just have them stacked everywhere. This is gonna be cleaned up. This is vitamins. My messy bed. I just do not have time in the morning to do this. Pillows that fell. Another dress. Like my blow dryer. A shirt that I'm selling on Depop and Mercari. So it'll be linked down below. This is like pencils and homework. Well, not homework anymore because I'm done for classes until 3 weeks. Summer classes for college, you know what I mean. And then here are all my syllabus that I had for this spring semester, which so glad that's over. And then, you know what, let's not even show my closet because it's bad. It's okay. Well, let's get started.
I just landed in another this solar ring. It's really out of my control. How you feel is not my problem. I do not want you to